It's raining hard. Feels like the winds are up to about 40, 45, or 50 miles an hour. I don't know. I grabbed the Canon, but I couldn't find a battery that was full. So I grabbed my camera. Get this. And I gotta learn how to use the Canon. And just go to YouTube to do that and stuff. Yeah, I got a 50 millimeter lens and I got a 90 millimeter lens. I don't know how to really use it, and I gotta learn that. It's dying down now. I just said something to the spirit, to the universe, to nature, because it was sounding really loud a minute ago. And my screen door doesn't have a pullback hinge on it. So it just like, when I open the door, it just like slammed open. It's not like my duplex mate has a hinge on his. She gonna put a hinge on my door. And she's gonna give me a new bedroom rug, period. Cause she went up on the rent. This apartment, it has more cubic feet than mine. And I could have gotten it when this Mexican moved out, but I didn't like the dark paneling walls, plus the stove and the refrigerator didn't look too hot. But I liked the way this place was made with it was small, it looked like to me, but I liked the storage space, the cabinet, and that little thing that goes over the island between the small kitchen and stuff like that. And like I said, I haven't been right since I went to LA, right? That goes way back to 2014 through 2015 when I stayed 23 days and stuff. Then I went back in 2016 twice in 3 months. And since then, I've been like buying stuff and I've been like cluttering and stuff like that. And I could blame the last 2 years on my just not having the energy to get rid of stuff that I don't need or to stop cluttering and stuff like that. Number one, I had a stroke, and I was taking two different types of blood pressure medicine, and the lisinopril was literally sapping me of my strength, and I didn't know it. It has a lot of other major side effects, and the amlodipine I'm finding has a lot of major side effects and stuff like that. So now I'm looking to try to find a way to just get off of that blood pressure medicine stuff. Um, that entails consuming less sugar and doing some other things, probably drinking more water and stuff like that. Just eating right and stuff like that. And anyway, so, I got to blame it on something because I know before I went to LA, everything was organized, and I was like, if I went back on my Facebook page, I was doing food porn and stuff. I was cooking really nice dishes every day and stuff like that and posting them and stuff like that. And everybody saw the process of me. I think I might have deleted those where I was painting my rooms, me putting furniture together and stuff like that. And, it just seemed like I had a lot more motivation and energy then. And it's not like California stole my energy. It's just like the last 2 years with the things that happened to me, the stroke and falling through these damn steps right here and fucking my spine up. And God didn't bless me with any boys. I got two trifling, they aren't trifling, they are trifling, daughters. And I can't get them to come through here and help dad out and stuff. One has moved back to my hometown, but the one that's here, she's so busy building her empire that she doesn't have time to do anything and stuff. And so she's getting into radio. She's getting into astrology. She's a writer, a talker, and stuff like that. Seems like she's following in my footsteps and stuff like that. And but it's kind of like difficult for us to communicate a little bit because she doesn't take constructive criticism too well and stuff. And I just used to brush stuff on my shoulder, let it roll down my back. I mean, people have an opinion; they see things a certain way, so you listen to it, and if it's right, you absorb some of it, you take it in, you make some changes. And if it's not, you just let it roll off your shoulder, brush it off your shoulder, let it roll off your back. But she's not like that. She's like a little mini me, but she's a female, so I know what I'd be like if I was a female now. If I was her and was born under Scorpio like she is. Anyway, peace out. The rain stopped, the wind stopped. I didn't use God's name. I just said the universe and the spirit and the nature. And but I'm not afraid to say God. You know what I'm saying? Because I know what I don't know. I know there's not a lot that I don't know. And what I think I know, it's not always right. I know that too. I come across as thinking I know everything, but that's what people are perceiving. Because I know I don't know everything. I'll argue my points, but if you show me where I'm wrong, I'll acknowledge it. Peace out. Love. Fist bumps.